Hey viewers, in today's review, we are going to talk about Devonthink and Paperless, as Devonthink is a powerful Mac-only paid application for knowledge management, while Paperless is a free open-source cross-platform web application for document management. First, we will discuss Devonthink. Devonthink is a platform only for Mac and iOS users, primarily uses a hierarchical database structure with folders and subfolders. It has some strengths as well as weaknesses. First, we will see their strengths. It has a powerful AI and automation tools and excellent for archiving emails directly into a searchable database. It is highly reliable and private for long-term storage. Now let's talk about the weaknesses. It is limited to the Apple ecosystem with no Windows or Android support. Its interface can be less modern and has a learning curve. And it is best for Apple users who need deep integration, advanced automation, and email archiving in one place. Now we will talk about Paperless, that's a cross-platform and also web-based and self-hostable. It does not rely on a traditional folder structure. Instead, it relies on full-text search and automated tagging where you will see a flat list of documents. Now let's talk about the strengths. It's an open source and self-hosting offering privacy control setup and excellent at automatically consuming documents from washed folders, making scanning and import easier. That's a plus point. Now, it also supports mobile applications for scanning and access on the go. Let's talk about weaknesses. It does not have a built-in folder hierarchy, which can be disorienting for some users, and has less powerful built-in AI compared to Devonthink. Now, it is best for users who want a self-hosted solution across multiple platforms and have a NAS and want automatic documented processing. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like it.